So wie geht's? In the short form, we can say wie geht's. Wie geht's means how's you. In English also we say na how's you, and the entire sentence is how are you. So wie geht's, how's you, and the entire sentence is wie geht es dir. We get as dear, how are you? And we get as Ihnen. So as you can see here, we are having dear and we are having Ihnen also. So in German, dear indicates to informal you and Ihnen indicates to formal you. Like in Hindi we say na, तुम कैसे हो और आप कैसे हो. So this is the exactly same manner. So we get how's you, we get as dear, we get as Ihnen. तुम कैसे हो आप कैसे हो. Like in Hindi reply you can do like this: as get me a good, I am good. As get me a tall, as get me a prima, I am great. है ना. Both of the words tall and prima having the same meaning. Danke, and you know that we have to say thanks also. Danke means thanks. Someone is asking us that how are you, then we have to ask that person also that how are you. So und dear in short way you can say und dear. If person asked us in informal way, then we will use dear to that person also. Und dear and you at the person. If the person asked us in formal way, then we will say und ihnen. If someone is saying us आप कैसे हो, then we will also say ना कि और आप, है ना. So same kind of thing. Und dear und ihnen. Next one, auch gut, danke. Also good, thank you. Auch gut, danke. Also good, thank you. So we get how's you, we get as dear, and we get as ihnen. How are you formal, informal, and how are you formal. Es get me a good, I'm good. Es get me a tall, prima, I'm great. Danke, thank you. Und dear und ihnen, informal and formal. Auch gut, danke. Also good, thank you.